Okay, hello guys. I'm getting this prepared right now, making butter mochi. In this, we have the 16-ounce mochi flour and 4 eggs, 2 cups sugar, 1 tablespoon vanilla, 4-ounce butter, 4-ounce butter, 2 teaspoon of baking powder, and what else do we have in here? 1 can milk, unsweetened milk, 1 can coconut milk. So I got it all in here. Actually, in fact, I'm gonna melt my butter and pour it in. That's a 4-ounce. We'll be right back. So here we go, guys. This is the 4-ounce of butter going in, and I'm gonna mix them very well, and we're gonna bake it at a 350 degree. You can let it bake for 50 to 55 minutes. It depends. If it's longer, then you can do it as long as it's the top part is already golden brown. And when you use a toothpick, you can insert, and if there's no moist on that toothpick, it's all dry, it should be all ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix all this one up, and we'll be right back. Okay, we are now getting this pan ready. You can use the butter flavor pan, but I'm using the original. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray it. Make sure our mochi doesn't get stuck when you try to cut them when it's cooled down. Okay, this should be good enough. And we're gonna pour in our mixture. There we go. Make sure right there. Okay, that's good. And we're gonna pop it in the oven at 350 degree. Okay, it's gonna go in for 50 to 55 minutes until it's golden brown. Okay, see you in a bit. Okay guys, we're gonna see if it's totally cooked now, because it's already been 55 minutes. So let's see. Okay, yep, this is cooked. It's not wet, it's solid in there already. Okay, there you have it, guys. We're just gonna let this cool off for like maybe an hour or so, and we're gonna slice it together. Okay guys, we're gonna go ahead and slice it. Okay, we're gonna taste this. Not cutting it straight. It's okay. It's still kind of hot. So I'm gonna cut a nice piece, the end part right here. Just show it to you guys right here. It's always the best part. Oh, looks so good. See how it helps with that spray pan that we have? It didn't get stuck in there. So let's go ahead and try it. Okay guys, it's time to taste our mochi. See how it looks in here. That's the color. Okay, so first bite is still kind of hot. Oh my gosh, this is perfect with tea or coffee right now. It's not sweet, guys. And if you guys don't want to use white sugar, you can always use the brown sugar too. If you don't want to put that much of a sugar, you can always, you know, put less. But other than that, here's our mochi. It tastes really good. It's kind of like Bibingka for Filipino, this type, because it has the coconut milk. Because a lot of times, well, Bibingka is has coconut or coconut milk. So there you have it, guys. You should try this recipe. It's really ono. Masarap na imas. I'm gonna make me a coffee or tea. So there you have it, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. And thank you for watching. Try this recipe. Butter mochi. Aloha, thank you. Salamat po. God bless. Bye.